Assalamu alaikum, welcome back again. Today we are going to make achar chicken. Yeah, we have all the stuff that you need to make the achar chicken. So that's the chicken, that's the achar ghost masala, that's your yogurt, that's your bullet chilies, lemon, fresh coriander, fresh tomatoes peeled, and finally ginger and garlic. That's your garlic and ginger and your tomatoes. So first you put some oil in the pan or the wok. Add your ginger and garlic. The ginger and garlic is optional in this. If you are following the instructions on the pack, you know, as with any other dishes, there are so many ways of making a dish. So the method we are using is the dry spice. I mean, you can get a full mix in which you don't need none of these. So that's it comes in a pack, in a plastic pack with the tomatoes and everything in it. But this is a dry masala. So now we're going to add the chicken to the garlic and the ginger, because this will give it a very good taste, and it'll get rid of that smell that you get from the meat. Now you add the tomatoes. As you can see, the chicken has changed its color. It's gone all white. Okay, so you let that boil. So that's your achar masala. Squeeze a lemon into it. Okay, so that's the yogurt, 2 cups of yogurt. You add the spice mix to it and mix it. Okay, so you do a cut in each chili. We're using 4 chilies, but you can use as much as you like. Okay, so you now stuff the masala into the chicken. I mean the chilies, and you add these chilies to the chicken just 10 minutes before the chicken is made. Okay, so now when the tomatoes are dissolved, you add in the yogurt mix, the masala mix. After mixing it, you need to put the lid on and let it boil. Okay, so this is after 10 minutes of boiling. Okay, so the chicken is nearly ready. As you can see, the oil is separated from the chicken. You now add the chilies and you put the lid on for about 5 to 10 minutes. So that's all done now. Just adding the coriander and it's done. Okay, that's done now. So that's the Achar chicken with fresh naans. Okay, let's try. Bismillah. MashaAllah, tabarakallah. Really good, really delicious. Very good taste. You should try. Thank you for watching our video. I hope you enjoyed watching the making of the chicken. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Till next time, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.